Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install Voltra TV on your Amazon Firestick in just a few minutes. No technical knowledge is required. Just follow each step carefully. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable unknown apps. Before installing Voltra TV, we need to allow apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Here's how. Go to Settings on your Firestick. Open My Fire TV. Select Developer Options. Turn apps from unknown sources or install unknown apps on. If you're using Downloader, enable permission for Downloader. Step 2. Install Downloader. If you don't already have Downloader, go to the Find menu. Select Search. Type Downloader. Install the orange Downloader application. Once installed, open it. Step 3. Download Voltra TV. Inside Downloader, allow storage permission if prompted. Select the URL field. Enter the official download link or the code provided by Voltra TV. Press Go. Wait while the APK downloads. Step 4. Install the APK. After downloading, the installation screen will appear. Click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Select Done or Open. Conclusion. That's it. You have successfully installed Voltra TV on your Firestick. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.